Introducing the automatic UV phone case machine, personalized solution for creating and vending your phone case. With a 27-inch display, user can easily upload their pictures, logos, and see real-time preview of the uploaded pictures. The machine uses advanced UV printing technology with CMYK-W powered by XP600 printhead. The result is sharp, vivid, and long-lasting prints that won't fade over time. Phone cases are made from high-quality PC plus TPU material known for being anti-dirt, odorless, non-toxic, fingerprint resistance, and precisely molded for a perfect fit. Multiple payment options are supported, including banknote, credit card, and QR code. The machine is equipped with reliable components like Nayax card reader and the ITO bill acceptor. It features a smart system with SDK support, enabling easy integration, inventory management, and real-time sales tracking. Its vending style operation makes it perfect for shopping malls, tech stores, and high-traffic areas, providing a convenient and engaging user experience. Reliable after-sales service and global online support ensures smooth operation and fast assistance whenever needed. Create, customize, sell. The automatic phone case UV printing machine built for innovation and ease.